Hi, my name's Peter McHenry. I'm from Global Farming and Global Adventures. Just want to make it very clear as to what we're going to be doing with the construction program. I'm a civil engineer, built many roads, bridges, properties, structural engineer as well, so I've built high-rise buildings, had great experience throughout the world in terms of being able to put things together, and particularly in Africa and Europe and England, where we design rigid structures which are pretty solid, never fall down. America is very lightweight and flexible construction, but that's the big stuff. In Africa, we're going to be looking at basic structures. All ladies and gents are included in this, by the way. You don't have to have experience. It'll be great if you have, because you can bring your knowledge, but we'll also teach you how we do things here, and we'll listen to what you have to say in order to make things better on the ground. You'll be doing mainly supervision, so you don't necessarily have to hit nails and all that, although I recommend that you should, because it's good to knock a nail and learn some of the process of what paint's all about. That's a joke. We're going to do things like beehives. We're going to do things like chicken arks, where we do free-range chickens. We've got wildlife pens. We will work with wildlife. Fencing, tremendous amount of fencing needed in different fashions. Game lodges and hides. A hide is basically where you hide in and you look for birds and look for wildlife at a waterhole or something. So very basic structure. Thatch, which is grass, like this property we're in at the moment. Well, this is grass, I think you can see it. Basically, thatch roof, a timber structure for the roof, timber poles for the main structure, and then clad with reeds, timber, tenting materials, canvas, stuff like that. Very basic structures, but got to be strong. We also do major game lodges, which is we have 10 or 20 game lodges that we're going to build in different parts of Africa. Bush camps, if you look at some of the, in fact on this page that you're looking at, I'm pretty sure there'll be some photographs of typical bush camp game lodges and stuff like that. We will also mainly be doing a lot of community upliftment work and go through to people like old ladies who are living, have got no husband, got no family, they're living in absolute shambles. We go there and fix their houses, for nothing, and bless them. Also with old folks who've done this quite a lot in Mozambique. They just don't have the power, the energy to do it, and even to get the materials. So it's a wonderful thing to uplift these people. In the process, we get the kids involved, youngsters as well as some of the sub-adults, and in the process we teach them how to do stuff, get them motivated, and then get them to go start uplifting people, which is a wonderful thing. We're also going to be doing schools, clinics, churches, halls, basic stuff, although we don't, sometimes if you look at some of the pictures, I've built 20-story buildings, so we can do anything, but it depends what the need is over there. I don't think we want that in the wildlife zone, but we certainly want community centers and stuff like that. We'll be building a lot of roads, civil engineering, bridges of different constructions. Let's see, video surveillance platforms. We have a massive video surveillance of every area that we're in, and we need to have that structure so that we can set cameras on sensors and that people can't get to, so that we can see what is going on and protect wildlife in the process. So that's about it. We really do encourage you to come and join our program. The list just goes on and on and on, and we really would encourage you to come do the construction program. And I would venture to say, come and do the construction program together with the free-range chickens, the free-range sheep, free-range eggs, and do a combination of it and actually live the lifestyle. It's an amazing, life-changing experience, but we trust that you will adhere to what your heart says and come and join us in Africa for two main reasons: uplifting the nations of Africa, and secondly, to protect wildlife in southern Africa that's been decimated by unfaithful people. So join us as soon as you possibly can. We need you to come urgently and help us fulfill these dreams and visions that we have. Thank you for joining us.